Hi guys, I'm Nicole Fig. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'll just play along a few tunes and maybe you could get a few ideas from there and you could get to know my style a little bit more. My approach to the tunes changes depending on the tune itself, of course. I try to listen to the tune very carefully and then from there listen to the melody and listen to the tones and try to mimic that or to match it. The little things that make the tune that tune, if you know what I mean, you know? I love finding that about each tune and trying to really get each tune as an individual thing rather than just a reel or a jig or a hornpipe. Yeah, so that has helped me a lot, and to also make it more interesting for me than just playing the same reel groove for every reel that I know. Yeah, and then another way that I think my approach to the tunes changes is depending who's playing and depending how they're playing. Depending on their style, you know, if they're a bit more contemporary, that maybe it's more like driving, or if it's more traditional, laid back, then I can concentrate more on the tones and the musicality of the actual tune. And also, I think I don't know, I think we should, like your style should change slightly just depending on the people that you play with, because they all play very differently. And as a ballroom player, I love that. I love sitting down and discovering and figuring it out, how they're playing, what they're playing, and what suits the session or the tune or what makes it better. For me, that I love doing that. So now I'm just gonna play a few tunes and I hope you enjoy them. I will put all the details of the album and the players in the description box. And if you have other tunes that you would want me to play along to, just comment down below and I'll try to find them and make a video for you. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!